We're checking out the Bajada trail. It's just this little cool trail with a bunch of things you can learn on it. A nice little desert bridge. And we're gonna learn a bunch of stuff. It's gonna be great. It's like kind of swampy, but then there's no like actual path where the water will actually go. It's so fascinating. Yeah, we're kind of standing in a river wash. Hey, look, creosote, one of the most popular and numerous desert plants. And we're gonna sit on this bench. The bench is wet, but that's okay. Look, an ocotillo, and it's got the red things on the end. Very cool. So apparently these Palo Verde plants can photosynthesize through their bark. That's why they're green. And look at all the green that you see over there in the distance. All the Palo Verde. Crazy. I also end so many of my videos with crazy. Or, that's cool.